Hi, everybody.
Welcome back, guys.
We are excited to share a really awesome game called Ticket to Ride Nordic Countries.
Yeah, special nice version for Mount Horeb, especially with its Norwegian roots. So I think the impetus behind buying it, at least. So
Yeah, it's also a really nice game. It's similar to the regular Ticket to Ride, although all of the train cards are covered in snow, so it's perfect for this time of year.
yeah, so I actually have never played Ticket to Ride in any version whatsoever, Nora. So I'm kind of relying on you to train me
Yeah,
how to
so
play this game.
in all the Ticket to Ride games, you are basically given a map with all sorts of different train routes on it. In this one, you get the Nordic countries of Denmark, Finland, Norway, and Sweden. So you get to learn a little bit of geography, and what you're trying to do is connect cities to each other via these train routes. So you will get these destination tickets, and I'm going to find one I can pronounce.
Yeah, so these are all featuring Scandinavian cities on them, so that's why Nora is having to look for that.
So Bergen to Helsinki. So you want to find those on the map.
Somewhere down here in the southern part of.
Right, and Helsinki is like
There you go. There
yeah,
you go.
I knew
Yeah,
it was
our
east.
Scandinavian geography is put to the test here tonight.
So yeah, so you want to try to connect those two cities, and as you can see, these routes are very colorful. So you have to find the corresponding train cards, collect enough, and then lay down your trains. So you'll lay 3 yellow trains here. So it's pretty easy to pick up, but there's a lot of fun strategy to it. You can either try to lay down the most tracks, get the longest consecutive train track, or try to collect as many of these destination cards and complete them in time. But you have to be careful with that, because if you don't complete the route, then you actually have to subtract those points at the end.
Okay.
Yeah, it's a pretty fun game. If you've ever played Ticket to Ride, this will be like a nice addition. In this edition, it's special. They have little ferry routes, so that's a fun little
addition to the game.
There's a ton of different versions of this. There's Rails and Sails, which is even more complicated because you have boats as well as trains. So that's really fun. We have a copy of that, and we also have a copy of a regular Ticket to Ride.
Yeah.
I wanted to share on this one. I think it's really nice. So you have all these different colors of train cards to lay down on the different types of tracks. And this one is kind of cool. This is a wild card, so you can lay them down anywhere. And it sort of has like the northern lights on it. So
that's nifty.
Their graphics are really pretty. So
yeah, and unlike some of the games that we've kind of been promoting the last couple of weeks, this is kind of a 2 to 3 player game. So it's really good for social distancing purposes. If you have just a couple people in your family that you want to play with, or just like a couples night or date night kind of thing. So definitely works for that.
yeah, my husband and I play the original all the time, and we just call it playing trains. In fact, when I said, Eric, let's pick a game for this week. What if we do trains? And I was like, wait, what is the name of the actual game? I had to think about it for a while.
So yeah, fun train game to add. So this game will be available here as we're coming up on the holidays, and if you're looking for something to keep you busy during the holidays, if whether or not you're spending them with just your immediate family or you have a few other people over, check out the library for all our games. One new thing that we would like to announce tonight is that we are slowly moving our board games into the catalog. So what this means is that you can not only find our board games in the catalog now, but you can also put them on hold. So if there's a game that you really want to play and someone has it checked out currently, you can go ahead and put it on hold so that you'll be the next person to get it. So as you have some time to look in our catalog, look out for that new feature now.
Yeah, thank you for working on that, Eric, and figuring that out.
It's a work in progress, so we'll get there.
We know that we have a lot of high demand games, so being able to put them on hold if you are looking out for a certain copy of a game will be really great.
Yeah.
I did also want to say that if you have suggestions on games, as the new year comes around, we'll have more money to be able to purchase some of these really awesome board games. Thank you to the Friends of the Library, as always, for supplying us with our budget for these games. It's been really fun to check them out and play them and share them with you.
Yeah, we're glad that we have them. So if you liked our video, don't forget to hit that like button down below, and also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can get caught up on all the past and future videos that we will be releasing. Otherwise, we will see you folks again next week, and in the meantime, we wish you a happy December.